Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this, and this is what they wanted. Well, they sent me this font, these two fonts, and they want them like this in colors. I don't know what particular color, but they're going to print on a t-shirt. There's two ways to do this. Let me just start over. Let me make a duplicate of this. There's a fast way and then another way that works all the time. This sometimes doesn't work because this particular font has got some bad spots in it. But if we keep it black, and there's no weld come up, but if you go to Object and Shaping and weld it, it got rid of those. Then take this one and left click, right click and outline, go to Effects and Contour. We're going to contour to the outside with rounded corners because they're not really squares, and hit Apply. Now I'm going to go to Object and break the contour apart, but I want to group them together. And then I'm going to position, and they can position it wherever they want to put them in there. Now, make a duplicate of that word mom, excuse me, and grab both these and go back minus front. Then take this mom, and let's go ahead and make this red like I did the first one, and take away the outline. Well, to get rid of why is there an outline? Maybe I didn't, so there we go. Now take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in with blue and move it up, move it up, move it up. And what that did, that spaced out the letters. So there's one way to do it. That doesn't always work if something's gone wrong. Like this particular font, if you take it and you left click, right click, and you see it's that, and then you go to Object and Object, I don't ever use this shaping, but this will weld when there's no other weld available. And then we're going to take this and we're going to left click, right click. The one thing I kind of like about this way, it's a lot slower, but it kind of gives you some options in how it's going to look. So we're going to go ahead and go break the contour apart. And I'm going to go ahead and group them together. I don't think it really matters, but I don't want to move them. And then by doing this, you can kind of look to see where your letters are going to cross over. And then all you have to do is, let me move the mom over a little bit, and take your Smart Fill tool, and we'll go ahead and use red for the football word, and just fill this in with red, and see it's stopping at the lines. And then that way, if you ever have any hanging over, like right there, you can fill that in. Now what we can do is take the virtual segment delete key and delete these inner lines. And then we're going to get rid of all the lines anyway, but the Smart Fill will stay there. We're going to delete the lines so they will not print. Don't worry about these crosshatch lines, and then just take a blue. So this took a little bit longer, but it will always work. Sometimes that other one won't work. And then select it all. Well, I didn't fill in red right there. Make sure you get everything. And then select it all and right click with your mouse, no outline. And you get the same effect. Pretty nice looking font, I like it. Let's put a yellow shirt. Order back a page. And that's what it's going to look like. Anyway, I hope that gave them a little bit of hint on how to do it, and thank you for watching.